How do I shoot the third gear? I also made the tool myself. How was it? I picked up some hub bearing that he was going here tightly. Well, how tight? Well, with a minimum clearance, you see? It was a hub bearing. So wide. I sawed it in half and there was a box where the balls go. And all. Then I took it from some piston. I don't remember. I don't know. Maybe from my fest. I don't remember. Here, the ring is piston. That is, I will insert a piston ring here. It enters the groove of the bearing like this, here, with this cone. And pulls it. Everything is very simple. Everything works. The puller, accordingly, of course. That's it. Now I will shoot like that. Again there is a locking wheel. Let's knock it out. A rag, as usual, is not lost. Usually, when no one climbs, he, too, is slowly losing it. Oh damn it, finger. Oh, flew away, right? Why did you fly away? If there were no rags. And where did he fly? Who saw? Ah, here he is. Then he would fly somewhere far away. Here he is, chick. Everything, bomb. We lie here too, in the fifth. And that's it. You can twist here. So I made a bolt with a hole so that the puller does not run anywhere. Well, here the thread is not to spoil. Maybe it's not necessary. I'm for sure. That's it. He even looked so, but I once knocked on it with a hammer. So, there is. Everything means I put it. So let's straighten everything here so that he completely enters the groove perfectly. OP out. Come here. You can see anything? So, one more time. That's it. There is in the groove there. Great. Everything. I'm choked. Oh, look. Went. Go? Or what is there? No, I didn't go. This ring moved. We'll have to look for this ring again. So, you understand the infection. The ring jumped up, but I have already used it here so many times, not wise. Attempt number 2. It is necessary to leave it. Let's try. No, we must trim. Now I will bend him a little that it goes there more. You see, I no longer know how many bearings I am. Well, I torn off a couple of pieces. Oh, like that. Everything is fine. So, only here is small. About. Come on, they drove. Attempt number 2. So, the ring, the main thing is that the ring climbs there. Everything, there is. It's even to be. Let's. So. Well, I can. Come on, come on. What can be seen there? The ring sits. The tension has already gone. Crap. Rushes about the ring. Yari yari. In short, my puller worked a little. Infection. Okay, now I will look for another Coke. In general, it does not lice, it is necessary to breathe it. Carefully. I don't know what was there. Oh, damn it, yo mine. In short, sucks. In general, the double failed. Infection. In general, the ring is with the ring. I found some remains. The remains of other rings of all kinds, but they break. Let's try. Ah, the bolt still broke. Now I'll still find the bolt. Well, let's try. Damn it. No, without a bolt is impossible, okay. In general, he did not turn on the record, yo mine, but he went. Well, what I did, I strained him, and then he went with a hammer. This is how it worked. Oh, piston rings, yes. The main thing is that nothing falls here. Let's remove everything. So, I had 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. And where is another? Here are 4. That's it. No pieces. This is not the same. I do not see. We must find it. Okay, we will find it when we wash. Or he flew somewhere in another step. But the fact that I do not see him. That's it. Here he is, a bearing. The bearing is super. So he found everything. It all did not go away, so now, then this transmission is carefully as usual a bearing. Synchronizer and, as usual, a ring. Very important. Ring. So, let's put this here. We need to defeat there now. 2. There is also a synchron 4th. The yellow order with it can be determined as it can be determined. But here it is not eaten. It is usually eaten here. And the cone. But the cone is not eaten. But the cone. Let this be here, lying here. There may be a small gap here. What is he doing? He slows down the gear. He presses like this, and she stops. More precisely, it does not stop. It acquires the speed of the same as the speed of the second shaft, and they are connected. So. And now, damn it. So, look, then. So, well, the continuation. So, the third gear, everything is clear. They put it up, put it, we have no problems with her. The only thing we will do with the third program is, we put the ring here to remove the backlash. Now you need to get to the fourth gear. So, well, you have to be carefully, neatly. Come on, I'm taking off this coupling. Oh, she went with crackers. Let's go back the third gear. Wait. Stop, stop, stop. Damn, there are crackers and under the crackers of the springs. Ah, we are now synchronously with him. Oh, there. All. Here. So, great. So, the coupling. I'm watching. Here is a strip below. Maybe you can, I don't know. But I took it off like that, so the bed. Now look, there is a cracker and behind it is a spring. OP, here is the spring. Cooking in a round out. But he, in my opinion, is symmetrical. Let it be as it was. Everything, I'll put it here, for example. And 3 crackers. That's it, now there is a stop ring. And this coupling must be shot down. It is spent specifically. It can also heat. But there is no one today, so we will knock. That's all. First of all, the ring. That's it, now you have to think about how to knock her down. Here you are. Here is the spring. So we need to get and remove this backlash. Subtitle